Outstanding design defines the 2013 BMW 328i. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. BMW prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear reading lights, a leather steering wheel, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, rain-sensing wipers, and seat memory. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.